In today's fast-paced world, we often sacrifice our health for the sake of time. We tell ourselves we're too busy, too tired, or simply don't know where to start. What if I told you that just 11 minutes a day could make a world of difference? You don't need elaborate gym routines or complicated diets. This is about simple, sustainable changes that fit seamlessly into your day. This 11-minute miracle routine is designed to invigorate your body, nourish your mind, and set you on a path to better health. It's about reclaiming those seemingly insignificant pockets of time and transforming them into powerful investments in your well-being. No more excuses, no more delays. Are you ready to unlock your healthiest self 11 minutes at a time? If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on transforming your health daily. Our bodies and minds thrive on routine. When we establish consistent healthy habits, we create a foundation for lasting well-being. Think of it like compound interest. Small, consistent efforts accumulate over time, leading to significant results. A daily 11-minute routine becomes your anchor, a non-negotiable commitment to your health, no matter how busy life gets. This routine is not about adding more to your plate, but about maximizing the time you already have. It's about making healthier choices throughout the day, from the moment you wake up to how you choose to unwind. The key is consistency. By dedicating just 11 minutes each day, you signal to your body and mind that your health is a priority. This 11-minute routine is divided into 3 simple segments: move, nourish, and recharge. Each segment focuses on a different aspect of your well-being, ensuring a holistic approach to health. Remember, this is a framework you can adapt to your preferences and needs. The most important thing is to show up consistently and make those 11 minutes count. Start your day by getting your blood flowing. These first 3 minutes are all about shaking off sleep inertia and energizing your body. This could be a quick, brisk walk around your neighborhood, a few rounds of jumping jacks, or some simple stretches to loosen up your muscles. The goal is to get your heart rate up slightly and activate your muscles. This not only helps you feel more alert and energized, but also kickstarts your metabolism and sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Don't underestimate the power of these initial movements. They are the foundation of a more active and energized you. Now that your body is awake, it's time to nourish it from the inside out. These 4 minutes are dedicated to preparing a quick and healthy breakfast or drink. Think overnight oats with berries and nuts, a protein smoothie with spinach and banana, or simply a piece of fruit with a handful of almonds. The key is to choose nutrient-rich foods that provide sustained energy and support your overall health. Avoid sugary cereals or processed foods that lead to energy crashes later in the day. By fueling your body with healthy choices, you're setting yourself up for better focus, sustained energy levels, and improved mood throughout the day. Take a few minutes to quiet your mind and focus on your breath. This could involve simple, deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even just sitting quietly and observing the sensations in your body. The goal is to create a sense of calm and clarity before the day's demands take over. These mindful moments are crucial for managing stress, improving focus, and enhancing emotional well-being. In a world filled with constant stimulation, taking even a few minutes to disconnect and tune inward can make a world of difference in how you navigate your day. As you wrap up your 11 minutes, take a moment to set a positive intention for the day. This could be a specific goal you want to achieve, a quality you want to embody, or simply a reminder to approach the day with a positive attitude. This simple act of setting an intention can have a powerful impact on your mindset and actions throughout the day. It serves as a reminder of your priorities and helps you stay focused on what truly matters. By starting your day with intention, you're more likely to make choices that align with your values and goals. Now you might be thinking, 11 minutes sounds great, but how do I fit it into my already jam-packed schedule? The beauty of this routine is its flexibility. You can adapt it to your lifestyle and preferences. Break it up. No need to do all 11 minutes at once. Split it into smaller chunks throughout the day. Do a few minutes of exercise in the morning, have a healthy snack mid-morning, and take a few minutes to meditate before bed. Multitask. Combine your 11 minutes with other activities. Listen to a podcast while you walk. Stretch while you wait for your coffee to brew. or practice mindful breathing while you're stuck in traffic. Make it a ritual. Integrate your 11 minutes into your existing routine. Do it first thing in the morning before checking your phone, or make it a non-negotiable part of your lunch break. I used to think I was too busy for self-care. However, I soon realized that neglecting my health was counterproductive. I was constantly tired, my focus was shot, and I wasn't performing at my best. That's when I decided to implement my own version of the 11-minute miracle routine. I started with small changes: a quick morning workout, a nutritious smoothie, and a few minutes of meditation. The results were transformative. I felt more energized, focused, and better equipped to handle the demands of my day. It wasn't about drastically overhauling my life, but about making small, consistent choices that supported my well-being. Your health is an investment, not an expense. And the best part is, you don't need hours in the gym or elaborate meal plans to make a difference. Just 11 minutes a day can set you on a path to a healthier, happier you. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. Just get back on track as soon as possible. Start small, be consistent, and watch as those 11 minutes transform your health and your life. No more excuses. Your health journey starts now. Are you ready to embrace the 11-minute miracle? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more health videos.